I'm here to talk about Profit Singularity's new breakthrough product that's being released this year in 2023. So, if you're trying to decide if you want to purchase this program or not, first you need to understand what this program is, what it entails, and how you can benefit from it. So, in my review, I'm going to dive into the main methods of monetizing Profit Singularity and why the coaches inside of this program and their approach to affiliate marketing sets it apart from other programs out there. Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced marketer, this course is going to offer valuable insights and strategies that can help take your online business to new heights. My name is Lauren Gamble, and I've been an affiliate marketer for 8 years now, and this Profit Singularity program is definitely one that you need to keep an eye on, and I'm about to tell you why. They're hosting a class that's going on right now. You can go to the link in the description, or I'll even put a link here in a little card if you want to watch. It's a completely free training that they're hosting, so you can find out more about the program and even learn some things on that free training as well. So first, let's talk about what is Profit Singularity. So this is a system that uses artificial intelligence, or AI. I'm sure you've heard the buzz about it, to automatically write and generate really high converting video ads. And this sets it apart from other systems in the market because you don't have to worry about writing ad scripts or creating complex videos. They show you a proven system, a done for you way to have AI do all that work for you. Another differentiator of the Profit Singularity program is its unlimited scale capabilities. This method that they're showing you inside for digital marketing and affiliate marketing and using these video ads can be scaled tremendously. And they have so many students inside of this program. I've even had the opportunity to speak to some of their students and coaches that are coaching inside the program and see the amazing results that they're getting. Inside the program, they already have a winning funnel, and they let you utilize the templates for the videos, landing pages, offers, ad scripts, and then you can easily create and scale your own profits. One thing I also really like about Profit Singularity, I've been inside of their original program and have been able to get a little sneak peek of this new breakthrough program. And because the world of digital marketing is constantly changing, they have brand new updated strategies inside this new product. It's not just like the old product slapped in and they call it a new thing. No, it's new strategies, updated strategies, and everything that you need to know in today's world because it is ever changing. So a lot of the stuff in even their old course and courses before them is kind of outdated. So I love that they've updated the content, and they also show you how to use these campaigns across various niches. So no matter what you like, you're going to be able to find a niche and start your campaign in that niche. And I like this too because it gives you the maximum potential for reaching a wider audience, so you have the most opportunity for success. One aspect that I find appealing about Profit Singularity is its reliability as a source of income. So the system has implemented mechanisms that prevent ad accounts from being closed, and they help to ensure consistent revenue over time. It's not just like a short-term get-rich-quick strategy. They're showing you how to set things up to have this reoccurring revenue and passive income for not just the right now, but continuously. And if you know me at all, you know I am particular to using YouTube as a source of traffic for affiliate marketing and different offers. And that is another reason why I really like Profit Singularity and why I believe that it's been working for so many of their students, because they're able to tap into these very, honestly, everyone else has not really explored these traffic sources such as TikTok and YouTube. But these platforms, in my opinion, and obviously in the opinion of the coaches of Profit Singularity, has immense potential for reaching a really large audience who are very actively engaged with video content. So they show you everything that they know, plug and play, all the templates you need to get set up on those platforms as well, with the formula for their high converting video ads that are generated by that AI technology. And the very last thing that I want to say that I like about this program is that they teach you how to promote high ticket offers. So promoting high ticket offers in the world of digital marketing and affiliate marketing can be greatly profitable, and they teach you exactly how to utilize and make these offers work and convert. So now let's talk about why Profit Singularity Breakthrough for 2023 is different. This is honestly a unique approach to affiliate marketing, and I love what their system teaches their students. Number one being it's very simplified video ad creation. So inside the Profit Singularity program, they've made the process of creating these video ads as simple as possible, and they show you exactly how to use the AI software tools and essentially teach you step by step, which I can account for because I have been in the Profit Singularity program. I've seen the contents of what they're teaching in there. It is so very thorough. It is so step by step. I'm someone who has to see things to be able to process them and to be able to replicate them. So I love that they are on video showing you exact steps, step-by-step tutorials for how to get things set up and beyond. So this takes us into my number two reason why this is so unique, and it's again because of that untapped potential of those platforms like YouTube and TikTok and more that they teach you about inside. And in my experience in affiliate marketing these last 8 years, a lot of marketers focus on traditional forms of online advertising, but I love that Profit Singularity encourages you to take advantage of YouTube and these video platforms. I think a lot of marketers overlook this opportunity because they might think that creating videos takes a lot of time or money to produce. And inside the Profit Singularity program, it's not the case. You can easily create these high quality video ads without really needing any production team. There's no inventory needed. You don't need anyone to create your videos for you. You're having AI do all that hard work for you, so you don't have to do it yourself, and you don't even have to be in front of the camera, which is really nice for a lot of people as well. And then number three is just the unlimited profit potential. The fact that very few people are utilizing the strategy that they teach inside of Profit Singularity Breakthrough means that there is unlimited profit potential essentially waiting for you to tap into it. And scaling their strategy, it's making some of their students tens of thousands of dollars per day, which in the world of affiliate marketing is not easy to do, but they teach you a really simplified process to be able to get it set up and get it scaled to that amount. This is a product that I stand by. Again, I've been able to speak to students, speak to coaches. I know that what they're teaching inside is reputable. I know that they are actually working and doing what they're teaching, which is huge for me. Whenever I am standing by a product, I want to make sure that the people inside who are teaching the students are actually doing that thing, and they really, really are. They're committed to their students' success, which is another reason that I stand by this program and this product. And I think if you're a beginner, again, they're going to show you step by step how to get set up. And even if you're an experienced marketer, this program is going to be able to help you scale your efforts. And I think if you are in either one of those situations, you're looking to either start affiliate marketing or expand your affiliate marketing efforts, this product and this program is for you and will be able to help you. I'll also put the link to the Profit Singularity Breakthrough course if you want to go ahead and jump right in, which I encourage you to do. Again, I've been an affiliate marketer for 8 years now. It's given me the freedom to live my life, do what I want to do every single day, and I cannot recommend Profit Singularity enough for anyone else who's looking to get started in their affiliate marketing journey. If you have any questions for me about the program, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.